I finished my bachelor's from IIT Bombay in aerospace engineering in 2013. IIT Bombay gave me the experience of meeting a whole lot of smart people and working with them on some very cool projects. One of those was building an electric race car right from scratch, and I'd say that was my first encounter with manufacturing. I then started my career with P&G and worked on solving engineering problems across multiple business units. It was during this time that I witnessed some of the challenges underlying in the manufacturing industry in India. If you want to procure a custom part or product, it is extremely tedious and time-consuming to find the right manufacturing supplier. There is no easy way to figure out which manufacturing process to go for, where to manufacture, and what's a fair price to pay. Manufacturing is a highly unorganized industry, and I wanted to change that. So in 2018, we started as a team of 3. The thought behind Karkhana.io was to create an online platform that helps businesses of all sizes get custom manufactured parts in a simple, fast and reliable way. We manufacture parts for various industries like automotive, robotics, healthcare, consumer goods. We don't own any machines at Karkhana.io. We have a network of manufacturing partners located in different geographies who own the machines and help us achieve the speed and quality in the product. We keep our margin on every order that we manufacture through them and make sure that we only get highly vetted manufacturers on board who can deliver on our commitments.
Here at Karkhana.io, I have served clients who range from a very nascent garage startup stage all the way to multidisciplinary industrial leaders in their own categories.
My responsibility begins at the design stage, where I assess the manufacturing feasibility of the project. I oversee the entire manufacturing operation to ensure smooth process flow so that we have an optimum solution to the client's requirement.
Talking to different stakeholders, be it customers, vendors, suppliers, logistic partners, I was able to learn about the supply side and the demand side a bit better and was able to implement those into our daily operations.
Karkhana.io gave me the freedom to do multiple things, like it is the first organization where I am working on a marketing activity also, while focusing on operations and sales coordination.
When I first visited Karkhana for the interview, I knew this is the place I want to work at. The atmosphere was just so energetic and pleasing.
At Karkhana, we are a team of extremely enthusiastic people who are well versed with all the technicalities across various domains. Because of this, we have a really great time while working with our clients. And this also helps us understand their projects and requirements and deliver better products and services.
There would be multiple orders running through a day, multiple delivery partners, logistic partners at different vendors. Working with all these kiosks was a lot of fun. And at the end of every day, there was a sense of accomplishment, like we have achieved something.
The team at Karkhana.io is very young and energetic. This creates an awesome work environment, and it also helps us to come up with very innovative ideas to make sure that customer satisfaction is inevitable.
When you start working at Karkhana.io, you don't say the team, you say my team, because it is what it is.
A lot of people tell us that we are trying to solve a very tough problem. We agree and also believe that we have a highly dedicated bunch working on it who add a whole lot of fun to it, and that makes the problem a little bit easy to solve. We are scaling up fast and are keen on hiring people who get excited by the idea of a hyper-efficient manufacturing system, who are curious to dig deeper beneath the surface, and who find joy in solving unique problems every day.